Hello everyone, it's me Nico, and actually it's December 24, and every year ko ito siya ginagawa na meron akong video recap sa aking IG dump na walang followers. So ngayon, ewan ko if I have plans on posting this, but actually I have. So meron lang akong gusto i-share for the year 2024 because it's my hardest at the same time fruitful year ko and my proudest year. So first ko agad i-share is my internship time. Doon ko na-realize that how important it is na gusto mo ang ginagawa mo. It's because if it's not, like, you will really suffer. Like, sometimes you have to be selfish in this one. You have to be selfish on what you want and what you really want to do. It's because sa'yo magbalik yun. Yeah. And I've done this before. It's yung time na nag-battle ako regarding with accountancy or entrep na time, because like why would I go for entrep in the first place, sabi ng aking family. Pero thankfully I fought for entrepreneurship, which later on led me to business management. So yun siya na time. I did not have any doubts. I didn't want to blame anybody if ever nag-accountancy ako. It's because like it's my decision if nag-accountancy ako if ever. Ngayon, if you have the privilege to choose your own, I would encourage you to do so. It's really hard if hindi mo gusto ang ginagawa mo. Yes. So, ang next ko is that yung nagka-job na ako, ang realize ko is that everything is temporary. Like, I'm just really grateful. Like, I'm grateful with my job currently. Pero one thing that has talked to me that everything is temporary apart from I'm working in a private setting. So, uncertain ang everything. So, you have to enjoy everything while you have it, because you will not know when you will lose things and everything. So yeah, just try to enjoy. And then last but not the least is never be afraid to try new things or to pick up new hobby, because to be honest, buying this camera was like the stressful part of me, because I questioned myself if do I really need this one. Pero it's not about do I really need this, but how will this help me? At the same time, will this improve myself? So yun na aking mindset. Sometimes you have to spoil yourself. It's because you've been working too hard, and sometimes you have to give credit to yourself and you have to pamper yourself, because at the end of the day you'll go home to yourself, and the only person that you only have 24/7 365 is only yourself. So yun siya aking na-learn. Trying new things is not really yet one of my mastered skills, but hopefully in the year 2025 I will be brave enough to do so. And message to my friends, my family, to those who indirected to supported me, thank you guys so much, because I wouldn't be here without you. To all the people I ask advice from and everything, thank you guys, and I hope you best in life, and see you in 2025 and more. And thank you guys for listening if nag-listen kayo here, and have a great Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye.